These videos look like they took a professional animation team weeks to create, but they didn't. You can create this entire VOX-style documentary look with AI, and the workflow is surprisingly simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. And the best part, one master prompt can handle most of the creative planning for you. So, let's start. Open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt. You'll find the Google Doc linked in the description. Now paste your documentary script into the same chat. This is where things get interesting. Instead of manually planning every scene, ChatGPT will break your script into individual scenes. And for every scene, it gives you 3 important things: the narration, the image prompt, and the motion prompt. So now you have the complete visual plan for your video. Next, take the image prompt from your first scene and open Google Flow. Paste the prompt and generate your image. Do the same for the remaining scenes. In just a few minutes, you can have all the visuals needed for your documentary. But we're not done yet. These are still just images. Now, take the motion prompt created by ChatGPT and use it to animate each image. This is what gives the video that smooth paper cutout, documentary-style movement. Repeat the process for every scene. And once all your clips are ready, it's time to put everything together. Open CapCut or whichever video editor you normally use. Import your voiceover, animated clips, background music, sound effects, and any other assets. Then arrange everything on the timeline. Match the visuals with the narration, add transitions where necessary, adjust the timing, and make the final sound mix. And now comes the best part. You've turned a simple documentary script into a complete VOX-style animated video. No complicated animation software, no massive production team, just a script, the right prompts, and a simple AI workflow. And remember, most of the creative planning from scene breakdowns to image and motion prompts can be handled with one master prompt. If you want to try the exact workflow yourself, grab the master prompt from the Google Doc linked in the description.